this will be a quick guide and I will show how we can import Twilio number to WhatsApp Manager. So there is 3 steps to actually doing this. First, we need a Twilio number. So either we can use an existing one or we can buy a new one. Then we will add that to WhatsApp Manager. And to verify, we will be using Call OTP using the Twilio Dev-Phone. We won't be using SMS OTP because it will be blocked by A2P. So I will first open my Twilio dashboard. Here I have some numbers already purchased. So I'll just copy one of them and then add it to my WhatsApp Manager. So I'll just click on this add form, choose a category and just choose other. And business description, I'll just leave it. So this will be a US phone number. Next. Okay, so the phone number is added. But now we need to verify it. So if I just click on this, click on this send verification code. But before doing that, we'll need to open the Twilio Dev-Phone because we will be receiving a call. So I'll be doing a phone call. I'll be sharing this document so you can use this for reference. Now I'll just open my CLI. Here I'll just type Twilio Dev-Phone. But because I have like multiple profiles in my CLI, which I can list from this command. But usually if you install, you won't have like multiple profile, you will have single one. So, but in my case, I'll just type dev and start it. Oh, sorry. This is wrong command. Twilio dev-phone -- profile. This will take a minute to actually start. Okay, so this is open. Now I'll just scroll down and select the same number that I'm actually importing. So it's 9700. Okay, so it's this one, 9700. Use this number. Okay, now it's ready to actually receive the calls. Now I'll just go back here and click on this next. Okay. Now let's see if we get a call. Okay, so we got a call. So now I'll just accept it and listen for the OTP.
The verification code is 497705. Your verification code is 4977.
Okay, I'll just hang it up. Now this code I'll just add it here. Next, if I go to insights, let me actually close this. Okay, so the status is pending. After some time, this will be approved and we will be able to use this number. The phone number is verified. It's in the pending state and will be approved in 2 hours. We did actually 3 simple steps. He copied the phone number from Twilio, added that to WhatsApp Manager, and verified that with phone OTP using Twilio Dev-Phone. I have actually documented this step by step in this document and I will attach this in the video description. So if you have a question or get stuck, just drop those questions in the comments and I will answer those.